Hello, future chemists. Welcome to an exciting journey into the heart of organic chemistry. Today, we are diving deep into types of organic reactions, the fundamental processes that govern how organic molecules transform. We'll start with the basics, build up to complex mechanisms, and explore advanced concepts. Get ready to unlock the secrets of molecular transformations across 4 levels of challenge, from easy to hardest, perfect for your G-main preparation. Let's begin. Ready to kick off our exploration? At the easy level, we'll grasp the fundamental ways organic molecules interact and change. It's all about understanding the most basic transformations. Organic reactions are the bedrock of chemistry, defining how molecules break old bonds and form new ones to create entirely different compounds. Think of them as molecular dance moves. They are crucial for everything from making medicines to understanding life itself. We classify these transformations into 4 main types: addition, substitution, elimination, and rearrangement. Grasping these categories is your first step to mastering organic chemistry. Let's look at 3 core types. First, addition reactions, where unsaturated molecules like alkenes combine with others to form a single, larger molecule. Imagine 2 pieces joining together. For example, ethene reacting with hydrogen to become ethane. Second, substitution reactions, here, an atom or group is replaced by another. Like swapping out a building block. Methane reacting with chlorine to form chloromethane is a classic example. And third, elimination reactions, the opposite of addition, where small atoms or groups are removed from adjacent carbons, forming a double bond. Think of ethanol losing water to become ethene. Time to test your understanding with some quick practice questions. Take a moment to analyze each reaction and apply what you've learned about addition, substitution, and elimination. Pause the video if you need more time to think through your answers. Good luck! Now, let's step up to the medium level. We'll peel back another layer, exploring the why and how behind these reactions, delving into mechanisms and key reactive species. To truly understand reactions, we must look at how bonds break. Homolytic fission creates highly reactive free radicals, while heterolytic fission forms ions like carbocations and carbanions. These charged or unpaired electron species are crucial intermediates. We also need to distinguish between electrophiles, which are electron-loving species that attack electron-rich centers, and nucleophiles, which are electron-rich species that donate electrons to electron-deficient centers. These concepts are fundamental to understanding reaction mechanisms, the step-by-step pathways of chemical change. Let's explore substitution reactions further. Free radical substitution involves a chain reaction through initiation, propagation, and termination steps, famously seen in alkane halogenation. On the other hand, nucleophilic substitution, common in alkyl halides, involves a nucleophile replacing a leaving group. We'll briefly introduce SN1 and SN2 pathways here, which describe whether the reaction proceeds through an intermediate or in a single concerted step. For example, hydroxide replacing bromide in bromomethane to form methanol. Moving to addition and elimination. Electrophilic addition is characteristic of alkenes and alkynes, where an electrophile attacks the pi bond, forming a carbocation, which then reacts with a nucleophile. Remember Markovnikov's rule, guiding where hydrogen adds to an unsymmetrical alkene. Elimination reactions, like dehydration of alcohols, remove atoms from adjacent carbons to form double bonds. Lastly, rearrangement reactions involve atoms or groups migrating within a molecule, often to form more stable intermediates, such as a carbocation shifting to a more stable position. Alright, it's time for some medium-level practice. These questions will challenge you to apply your knowledge of bond fission, reaction types, and basic mechanisms. Think carefully about the attacking species and the stability of intermediates. Pause the video now to solve these problems. Welcome to the hard level. Here, we'll dissect complex mechanisms, explore factors influencing reactions, and connect theories to real-world outcomes. At this level, we truly appreciate the role of reactive intermediates. Carbocations, carbanions, and free radicals are transient species whose stability dictates reaction pathways and product distribution. Understanding their sp2 or sp3 hybridization and how electronic effects like inductive effect, resonance, and hyperconjugation stabilize or destabilize them is paramount. These electronic effects, along with steric factors, solvent choice, and temperature, profoundly influence reaction rates and selectivity, guiding whether a reaction proceeds via substitution or elimination, and at which position. Now, let's compare the detailed mechanisms of SN1 versus SN2 and E1 versus E2. SN1 and E1 reactions proceed through a carbocation intermediate, making them unimolecular in their rate-determining step and favored by tertiary substrates and polar protic solvents. SN1 leads to racemization, while E1 follows Zaitsev's rule. In contrast, SN2 and E2 are concerted, bimolecular reactions favored by primary substrates, strong nucleophiles bases, and polar aprotic solvents. SN2 results in Waldane inversion, and E2 requires an anti-periplanar geometry for efficient elimination, also often following Zaitsev's rule. Electrophilic aromatic substitution, or EAS, is a cornerstone reaction for aromatic compounds like benzene. It proceeds via a sigma complex, where the electrophile attacks the pi system, followed by proton removal to restore aromaticity. Crucially, existing substituents on the ring dictate the position of incoming electrophiles. Activating groups, which are electron-donating, direct to ortho and para positions, while deactivating, electron-withdrawing groups direct to the meta position. Halogens are a unique case, being deactivating but orthopara directing due to a balance of inductive and resonance effects. Challenge yourself with these hard-level questions. They require a deeper understanding of mechanisms, stereochemistry, and the factors governing organic reactions. Take your time, draw out mechanisms, and justify your answers. Pause the video now and put your knowledge to the test. Are you ready for the ultimate challenge? The hardest level will push your boundaries, exploring competitive depth, advanced concepts, and engineering insights into organic reactions. Let's conquer it. At the pinnacle of organic reactions, we encounter pericyclic reactions, concerted processes like the Diels-Alder cycloaddition, governed by the elegant Woodworth-Hoffmann rules of orbital symmetry. These reactions form multiple bonds simultaneously in a cyclic transition state, without intermediates. We also delve into advanced rearrangements like the pinacol-pinacolone, converting diols to ketones, the Baeyer-Villiger oxidation transforming ketones to esters, and the Hoffmann rearrangement, which converts amides to amines with one less carbon. These transformations are vital for synthesizing complex molecular architectures. Modern synthesis demands precision. We explore chemoselectivity, ensuring reactions target specific functional groups, regoselectivity, controlling the position of new bonds, and stereoselectivity, producing specific stereoisomers. Protecting groups become indispensable tools, temporarily masking reactive sites to allow reactions elsewhere, then being removed later. Catalysis, whether homogeneous, heterogeneous, organocatalysis, or biocatalysis, is central to efficient and selective transformations, reducing energy consumption and waste. These strategies are critical for designing efficient and controlled synthetic routes in both lab and industry. In the lab and industry, spectroscopy is our eye into the reaction flask. NMR, IR, and mass spectrometry are indispensable for identifying products, monitoring reaction progress, and elucidating complex structures. For instance, IR confirms functional group changes, while NMR provides detailed atomic connectivity. Beyond the bench, green chemistry principles guide us in designing sustainable processes, minimizing hazardous substances and maximizing atom economy. These principles are vital for chemical engineers and researchers aiming for environmentally responsible production. Organic reactions are the heart of industries from pharmaceuticals to polymers, driving innovation and everyday products. The field of organic chemistry is ever evolving. Frontiers like flow chemistry, which enables continuous, safer, and more efficient reactions, are transforming industrial processes. Asymmetric synthesis, the creation of single enantiomers, is crucial for pharmaceuticals where chirality is key to drug efficacy and safety. CH activation offers revolutionary pathways to functionalize previously inert bonds, while artificial intelligence is beginning to predict reaction outcomes and design synthetic routes. These advancements, built upon the fundamental types of reactions we've studied, are shaping the future of chemistry and engineering, creating molecules with unprecedented properties and functions. Here are your first 5 challenging questions at the hardest level. These problems require you to integrate knowledge across various topics, including mechanisms, green chemistry, and spectroscopy. Think critically, apply your understanding, and try to provide comprehensive answers. Pause the video and tackle these thought-provoking questions now. Let's continue with the remaining 5 questions for the hardest level. These demand multi-step synthesis planning, an understanding of industrial applications, and advanced analytical interpretation. This is where your GMain preparation truly shines. Take your time, strategize your approach, and articulate your solutions clearly. Pause the video to complete this final set of challenges. Congratulations on completing this in-depth exploration of types of organic reactions. You've journeyed from basic definitions to advanced mechanisms and real-world applications. To continue your learning and access more such comprehensive content, visit synapse.omaps.in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting chemistry lessons and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Keep learning, keep exploring, and keep excelling in your GMain preparation.